Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to take the chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. I know what you are thinking. This chapter is little difficult for you and many students are struggling with this chapter. But today we are going to make this chapter into its simplest form. Okay, let's go to the chapter. So first of all, we have to learn the basic trigonometric ideas or the basic trigonometric ratios. So here is a triangle ABC. It is a right triangle and I am considering the angle A here. Okay, then BC is the opposite side of angle A and AB is the adjacent side of angle A. Then the last one, hypotenuse is AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Okay, now we are moving to the ratios. First of all, sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. I am repeating that sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side? Opposite side is BC. So BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. That is the opposite side and a hypotenuse. Okay. Then the second ratio is cos. Cos is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. Okay, then the third one is tan. Tan is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Which is the opposite side? Opposite side is BC and the adjacent side is AB. So BC by AB. BC by AB. Okay. These are the basic three trigonometric ratios and we have three more. The fourth one is cosec. Which is the cosec? Cosec is equal to, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. The hypotenuse is, which is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse and the opposite side is BC. So AC by BC is cosec. Okay, the fifth one is sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, so sec is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. The hypotenuse is AC here and the adjacent side is AB. So AC by AB. AC by AB. Clear? Then the last ratio is chord. Chord is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. It is the reciprocal of tan. Okay, so adjacent side by opposite side. Which is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB and the opposite side is BC. So AB by BC. This is the basic trigonometric ratios. Then the next topic we have to study, there are some specific angles and some values of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and chord. These are the values and the angles. 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So there are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, chord. There are some values. We have to study this perfectly. Okay. Then the next topic is the trigonometric identities. Which are the trigonometric identities? There are three trigonometric identities. That is, the first one is sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. And the second one is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square A. Then the third and the last one is cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. These are the three trigonometric ratios. I am repeating that. The first one is sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then the second one is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. And the last one is cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Okay. Then let's move to the problems now. The first problem is, if tan A is equal to 3 by 4, tan A is equal to 3 by 4, find the value of 1 by sine A plus 1 by cos A. Okay, it is given that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Now, I am taking the right triangle here. It is a right triangle. The triangle name is ABC. ABC. Okay, I am considering the angle A. It is tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So we already know that 3 is the opposite side and 4 is the adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan. Okay, so 3 is the opposite side and 4 is the adjacent side. So opposite side is 3 and the adjacent side is 4. So BC is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 4. Then what will be the value of AC? AC will be 5 because 3, 4, 5 are known as the Pythagorean triplets. You already know that 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplets. So AB is equal to 4 centimeter, then BC is equal to 3 centimeter and AC, the hypotenuse, will be 5 centimeter. Okay, now we can write sin A and cos A. What will be the value of sin A? Sin A, we already know that opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side? Opposite side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. So 3 by 5. Okay. Then cos is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So which is equal to adjacent side is 4 and the hypotenuse is 5. So now we can calculate the value. Okay, which is the value? Yes, the value is 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. We already know that sin A is equal to 3 by 5 and cos A is equal to 4 by 5. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Let's substitute the values of sin A and cos A. What will be it? 1 by sin A is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 plus 1 by cos A is equal to 4 by 5. So 1 by 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4 by 5. Okay, I am taking the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Then it will be 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Then we are by cross multiplying this, we can find the value. What will be the cross multiplication? 5 into 4. What will be the value of 5 into 4? That is 20. 20 plus then 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15 divided by 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. So 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. So 35 divided by 12. This will be the final answer. Clear? Now let's move to the next question. Okay, the next question is, if 2 tan A is equal to 3, then find the value of 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Okay, let's find the answer. We already know that 2 tan A is equal to 3. Then tan A is equal to 3 by 2. So tan A is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have the expression here, 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Okay, I am dividing the numerator and the denominator of this expression by cos A. Then what will be the value? Which is equal to 4 sin A by cos A plus 3 cos A divided by cos A whole divided by 4 sin A by cos A minus 3 cos A divided by cos A. Okay, now for sin A by cos A, what is the value of sin A by cos A? Sin by cos is equal to tan. Sin by cos is equal to tan. So we can write it as 4 into tan A. 4 into tan A plus then cos A divided by cos A. Cos A divided by cos A, it is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 divided by then again 4 into sin A divided by cos A. Sin A by cos A is equal to again tan A. So 4 into tan A minus 3 into cos A divided by cos A. It's again 1. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Okay. So we know the value of tan A here. What is the value of tan A? What is the value of tan A? Tan A is equal to 3 by 2. We already know this. Here we find the value of tan A is equal to 3 by 2. So we can substitute the value here. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3. We can cancel 2 and 4 here. 2, 4, this is equal to 2. Okay, again here denominator also 2 and 4, it will be 2. So 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 3 divided by 6 minus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So which is equal to 3. So answer is 3. The value of 4 sin A plus cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A is equal to 3. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next question is, if 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cosec square 30 minus 2 sin tan square 30, then find the value of k. I am repeating the question. If 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cosec square 30 minus 2 tan square 30, then find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. Okay, let's go. So first of all, I am writing this expression here. 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cosec square 30 minus 2 tan square 30 degree. Okay, tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to, I am writing this here, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, and cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. And the last one, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Now, tan square 60 degree is equal to root 3 whole square. Okay, then minus 2 into cosec square 30 is 2, then it will be 2 square. Then minus 2 tan square 30. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Let's simplify this. Then we will get the answer. Okay. Root 3 square is equal to 3 minus 2 square is 4. Then 4 into 2 is 8 here. Okay, one moment. Okay, 2 square is 4, so 2 into 4 is equal to 8 minus 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1, then root 3 square is 3. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by 3. This will be the answer. Okay, again we are going to simplify this. 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Minus 2 by 3. While cross multiplying this, minus 5 into 3 is equal to minus 50. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by 3. Okay, then it will be 4k is equal to minus 15 minus 2. Minus 15 minus 2, that is minus 17 divided by 3. We have to find the value of k, so we have to take this 4 into the right side, then k is equal to minus 17 divided by 3 into 4. It will be k is equal to minus 17 divided by 12. This will be the final answer, the value of k. Hope you understand. Let's go to the next problem. The next problem is 3 by 4 tan square 30 minus sec square 45 degree plus sin square 60 is equal to dash. We have to find the value. Okay, let's go. So tan 30, we are writing the values here. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Then the next one is sec square 45. So that sec 45 degree is equal to root 2. Sec 45 degree is equal to root 2, and then the sin square 60. So sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now we can substitute the values in this expression. Okay, so it will be 3 by 4 into tan square 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 square. 1 by root 3 square. Okay, which minus sec square 45. So sec 45 is root 2. So root 2 square plus sin square 60. What is the value of sin 60? That is root 3 by 2. Then root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Clear? Now again we are going to simplify this, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. Okay, square of 1 is 1 and root 3 square is 3. Then minus root 3 square is root 2 square is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. What is the value of root 3 by 2 whole square? Root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. Okay, we can cancel the 3 and 3 here. Then it will be 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4 minus 2. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. The value of this expression is equal to minus 1. Clear? Let's go to the next problem. So we discussed the first type of problem, 2 questions. Then now it is the value. We are substituting the values and finding the value of an expression. This is the second type question, and the third type question is using identities. Okay, we are going to solve that type of questions next. So the next question is, if A and B are acute angles such that sin A minus B is equal to 0 and cos A 2 cos A plus B minus 1 is equal to 0, then find the angles. So we have to find the value of angle A and angle B. Okay, let's go. Come. So here it's already given that sin A minus B is equal to 0. Sin A minus B is equal to 0. So we already know that sin 0 is equal to 0. So A minus B will be 0. So we can write that A minus B is equal to 0. Then A is equal to B. A minus B is equal to 0. Then A will be equal to B. So A equal to B. Then the next one is 2 cos A plus B minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos A plus B minus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking this minus 1 into the right side. I am taking this minus 1 into the right side. Then 2 cos A plus B is equal to 1. Okay. Then I am taking this 2 into that side also. Then cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. So which value, which angle cos make the value 1 by 2? That is 60. That we know that cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So we can write that A plus B is equal to 60 degree. We already know that A and B are equal here. A and B are equal here. We already know that A is equal to B here. So we can write it as 2A is equal to 60 degree, then A is equal to 30 degree. If A is equal to 30 degree, then B is equal to also 30 degree. So this is the answer, the values of A and B. A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 30. Okay, clear. Let's go to the next question here. Prove that. Yes, prove that questions. This little bit is confusing, right? Okay, prove that 1 plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cot square theta. Okay, we already know that we have the identities here. Which are the identities? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and also cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. These are the two identities related to this question. Okay, let's move. 1 plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Then divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta. So cosec square theta divided by sec square theta. We know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine and sec is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, so cosec square theta can be written as 1 by sine square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sine square theta. Then sec square theta, 1 by sec square theta is equal to cos square theta. So this can be written as cos square theta divided by sine square theta. Cos by sine, that is cot. So the answer is cot square theta. We already proved that. Is it simple, right? Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is, prove that sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A is equal to 2 divided by 2 sin square A minus 1. Okay, so I am taking the LHS here. LHS is equal to sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A. This is the LHS here. Okay, now there are two fractions. The first one is this and the second one is this. We are cross multiplying this. Okay, then it will be sin A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A is equal to sin A plus cos A whole square. That is A plus B into A plus B is equal to A plus B whole square, like that. Okay, plus, and the second one is, we first do this, and the second one is like this, sin A minus cos A into sin A minus cos A, that is sin A minus cos A whole square. Okay, then the denominator also, denominator is sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A. Okay, so the first one is in the form of A plus B whole square. The second one is in the form of A minus B whole square. Okay, we can expand this. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, and A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So we can expand that, which is equal to sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A. This is the expansion of the first expression, and the next one is plus sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A whole divided by, this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. That is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Then it will be sin square A minus cos square A. Sin square A minus cos square A. Clear? Now, this is in the form of 2 sin A cos A and minus 2 sin A cos A. This can be cancelled. This can be cancelled. So the balance is sin square A plus cos square A plus sin square A plus cos square A. So next, which is equal to 2 sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, whole divided by, then the denominator, which is the denominator, sin square A minus cos square A. That is sin square A minus cos square A. So 2 into sin square a plus cos square a, this which is equal to 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So we can write it as which is equal to 2 into 1 whole divided by sin square a minus this cos square a. We already know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. I am taking the sin square a into the right side, then it will be cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so I put the value 1 minus sin square a in the place of cos square a. Okay, so it will be minus 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by sin square a minus 1, then this minus and this minus will combine, then it will be plus sin square a. So the answer will be 2 divided by sin square a plus sin square a is 2 sin square a, 2 sin square a minus 1. This is the RHS. Let's go to the RHS. Sorry, yes. 2 divided by 2 sin square a minus 1. That is, we got here. Yes, 2 divided by 2 sin square a minus 1. So, these are the questions frequently asked in your public exam. So, study well and prepare well. All the best.